Welcome to the RepairQ video demo. RepairQ is the most trusted, cloud-based, end-to-end solution for repair shops looking to grow. Our platform is specifically built to support any type of repair business. If you repair instruments, firearms, jewelry, or even unicycles, we can help. But for this demo, we are focusing only on mobile device repair. Let's dive in. Your online profile is one of your most powerful tools when it comes to owning a repair shop. In this modern age of instant gratification, the quicker you can get a customer in the door, the more likely you are to close a sale. However, your customers are extremely well informed and have options. With RepairQ's online customer web portal, QSite, customers can find your profile online, view detailed information on your shop, get an automated quote, and schedule a visit to your location based on the schedule that you define. Now that the customer's in your shop, it's time to get to work. Thanks to capturing their information from QSite when they requested a quote online, you will be able to quickly search and find them in your customer database. After you have looked up and verified their information, making sure to double check the type of device they brought in, it's time to get the waivers signed. QPOP, RepairQ's point of purchase experience, is full of powerful features to fully engage your customers. But for now, let's focus on getting those waivers filled out. Waivers are just one type of custom form that you can create and deliver through a RepairQ, all of which are fully customizable to your specific needs. Now that your customer has filled out the waiver, it's time to get started on the repair. Let's check out the customized device intake checklist that will help identify any issues with the device and help get you started on this repair. After inspection, it looks like it has a cracked screen and no water damage, which is a pretty simple fix. Now would be a great time to take a few pictures of the device and attach them to the ticket to verify the received condition of the phone for liability purposes. And some states require it. Scan in the parts that are needed for the repair to automatically bundle them to the service agreed to, which in this case was a repair. This will update the final price based on the values you assign to this type of repair in RepairQ. It looks like we're running low on iPhone 7 screen and digitizer assemblies. With automated inventory level alerts, you won't ever miss out on a sale due to inventory issues. Let's put in a quick order for more with one of our integrated suppliers. Pretty simple, right? Also, with RepairQ's integrated label printing, you can create and print labels for your devices to aid in the tracking and checkout processes. Time to finish up that repair. Once you have finished the repair, you'll update the status of the ticket, and using RepairQ's automated notification system, the customer will receive either an SMS or email notification advising them to come and pick up their device. Once your customer is back and ready to pay for their repair, you can utilize QPOP to display targeted ads to help upsell your customers or show ongoing promotions. Now would be the perfect time to suggest a new phone case so they don't end up breaking their screen again. You can now quick scan in the UPC of the case to add it to the existing ticket. After getting your customer's signature, you process their payment with one of our payment partners' EMV terminals that accept credit cards, chip payments, and Apple Pay. RepairQ payments are EMV certified and P2PE encrypted, so you never have to worry about the security of your payment processing. After the payment processes successfully, we will print out, email, or text them a detailed itemized receipt with RepairQ's integrated printing functionality, and then send our customer on their way. But customer loyalty is built even after they leave your store. Add your customers to engagement lists to get positive online reviews or send them follow-up emails about in-store promotions. You can also schedule an automated notification to be sent to your customer requesting a survey of their experience a few days after they pick up their device. But RepairQ isn't just a point-of-sale and customer experience tracking tool. It's also an incredibly powerful business management platform. From your dashboard, you can view existing tickets you have in your queue to be worked on, as well as setting priority for your ticket queue and determining when a ticket moves from one category to another. And with RepairQ's Business Intelligence reporting suite, you can generate reports covering virtually every aspect of your business. Some of the most popular reports are the daily sales summary and the inventory usage report. For prudent small business owners, we have a QuickBooks Online integration to keep track of tax information and data relevant to the success of your shop. For multi-location organizations, there are a wide variety of additional options available to aid your growth and management at the enterprise level. Thank you so much for sticking with us through this demo. Hopefully this has shed some light on some of the awesome features and things that RepairQ can do for your repair shop. If you would like more information on how to get started using RepairQ, click on the Try RepairQ button on the top of this page or visit repairq.io/try-repairq. Thank you.